Oh, are you a player of tabletop role-playing games such as Dungeons and Dragons? Or are you a DM of the game? Have you ever noticed that while playing the game, it's difficult to describe or imagine the figurines, scenarios, locations, mountains, etc.? We at Mage Crafters here offer a solution. Fully customizable 3D prints, figurines, and items to help you interact with the world. Tangible items that you can see and feel. For example, let's say you want a wizard to wander the lands. Or let's say you need a sword guy with a shield. Let's say you need some terrain. You got some tombstones, or we have a sword in the stone, and you have some potion bottles even, or maybe a good treasure chest. Our figurines have small flat bases that are smooth but easy to put on a table. We offer an engaging customer experience, a website that is easy to use, and the unique opportunity to sit down with an artist to create your figurine over webcam or the phone. Here at Mage Crafters, we care about the customer first, as the customer is always right. When you're fully satisfied with our figurines, so are we.